Hi, this is Lauren DeLong from York Nordic, and today I want to show you how to take a folding walking pole with a bungee cord throughout. And if you're walking in extremely muddy conditions and the sections are coming apart like this, here are two easy ways to keep that from happening. The first way is to use a number 4 stainless steel clamp, so 1/4 to 5/8 inches. It can be found at your local hardware store for a couple cents. And what you do is move that clamp into place, so right over this intersection point where the black meets the black, go about halfway. I typically don't take a screwdriver with me while hiking, so I'm going to use a dime and simply close this as tightly as possible. And then you'll see that the poles don't come apart anymore. The other way to do this is to use about 4 inches of duct tape. I have black duct tape because that looks the best on the pole. So again, with a bungee cord, if you want to keep this section from coming apart in extremely muddy conditions, I simply take about 4 inches of black duct tape. You could even use painter's tape. It doesn't really take much. And then again, at that intersection point, get that tape on there and then wrap it around, maybe once. And most importantly, at the end, you want to fold this over. So see, you fold over the tab, and that way, when you secure it all the way, it's very easy to take it off at the end of the day. You have this nice little tab that you can pull on. So once it's closed like that, the poles don't come apart, but yet at the end of the day, you can take this off. And who knows, something else might happen while you're hiking where you need duct tape, and you can simply, when you're not using this to hold the poles together, you can just wrap that tape around the pole and you'll have it for other uses as well. So I hope that's helpful. Those are two ways to keep your sections of folding pole from coming apart if you're in extremely muddy conditions.